In this video, you'll learn about an app that can earn you $600 a day. It's a very simple app, and along with I'll show you 5 other apps. So it's basically the easiest way to make money online today. Obviously results can vary, but I'll be a very good lad and start with the app that makes you, and then show you the rest of the app. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So if you're new, me and my 2 video editors, we try to produce over 2 videos. Now we're trying to get 5 videos on some days for your value. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And before we start, like this video. And you know what? I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment down below. I'll take your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account from the cool comment, put it in the shout out jar, and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, let's start. So the first app, and it's the most lucrative app it seems, is current.us. You can see most of the links in the first comment and in the description down below if you don't manage to get them. But it basically goes like this. You play your favorite music, you search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations, you earn points by playing your favorite music, and you spend your points on your favorite brands. So you're literally going to be making money by listening to the radio or just listening to music. And to start earning, you can download your app on your iPhone or Android device. And if you go on their site and just click the how do I earn section, it says the more you play, the more you earn. So you can really grind it out, especially during 2020 when we have all these things going on. You have a little bit more spare time, you can grind it out. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in current and earn in-app point called points. During the media playback, you encounter several opportunities to generate points. So you can go ahead, check it out. Let's go to the second one, and it's actually cash magnets. So you can get money from your Android phone. If you don't have an Android phone, you can actually use an emulator like Nox or Memo and just run it from your computer. So the way it works is you do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. So that's even easier. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. So it's a passive income, and what they do is they allow you to earn extra income while you're using your phone. There's a lot of apps like it, but it's just another way to sort of start, earning some income in the make money online niche. Then maybe after that you can invest into buying a domain, a Shopify store. Even if you're not paid that much in the beginning from some of the other apps, like moneysmsapp.com. So it's another app, it's available on your phone, and again, it's an Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. So when you hear a beeping sound, you're literally making money. This is what it seems like. It works on Android. You basically sign up, you receive automatic text SMS, and then you automatically get paid 2 cents, which is pretty good. You can withdraw your money when your balance is €2. So it seems like it will take you around 100 SMS. Another app that's also available for Android, again, if you don't have Android, you can just install Memo. It's an Android emulator. You can install it on your Mac, and on your PC it's free. And it's another way to make money. And the good thing about their claim is they have a lot of reviews. Look at that. They have a huge amount of reviews. And then it says that there's different ways of earning. You can browse websites, video ads, learn engagement on social media, and you just follow the instructions and you can start making money. The good thing about it is they say they have an immediate withdrawal and multiple payment methods. Another method, actually the 5th method, is Swagbucks. I have multiple videos about it. But the way it works is you get around $5 bonus just to sign up, and you complete surveys and they get you paid. So you can definitely check it out. It's one of the easier methods. And the last one is mypoints.com. And the way it works is you earn points by shopping at your favorite stores. And the most interesting thing is they get you a $10 bonus. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.